Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel PowerPoint University. In this tutorial I am going to show you the 5 why and 1 h, which is why, what, who, how, when and where. I have created this template in PowerPoint so that you know what is that each point signifies, each why signifies. Like why are we undertaking this project? So all those things which required for the project action plan, I have put it here. And you can put your own text here as well. So let's see how to create this slide in PowerPoint. Go to Shapes, select a rectangle. I'm just going to create a header part. Give the color of your choice. Go to Insert tab again, Shapes, and select the right triangle. Rotate it. Rotate, flip vertical, and zoom it to make sure that it is aligned properly. You can duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D, change the color to light gray, bring it top and reduce the size. And you can duplicate the right triangle as well. Now you can merge it, union, and you can group this together and put it on the top as a header. Go to Insert tab again, Shapes, select a rectangle. Remove the outline and change the color. Create one more rectangle and put it at the left side. And you can add the text here, the first W, and change the font according to your taste. I'm just using Helvetica. Duplicate and put Y. Go to Shapes, select the line with arrow and draw at the bottom. You can hold the Shift key so that it comes straight. Right mouse click. You can just change the color. Right mouse click, go to format object and change the arrow type to the round, and then you can add your text here. Why are we doing this project? And group all these objects together. Right mouse click group, or you can press Ctrl G also. Duplicate it and put it down 6 times, so it will be why, where, when, how, and all those things. I'm just changing the background color and change the text font to white, so it will be visible clearly. And change it. This is why, what, who. This will be how, when, and where. And you have to change this W to H. And we can give the heading on the top. I'm just saying it's action plan. And then time to give the animation. Enable the animation pane and just say float in from down, and you can just do the animation using the animation painter, so you don't need to create again and again the animation. I'm just using the animation painter. So this is why, what, who, how, when, and where. So that's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe it. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.